Midwest Writers Workshop and Danner's Bookstore in Muncie are offering a mini workshop / Q&A session with playwright and book editor Lisa Rosenthal on getting along with editors and marketing your books. There will also be a book signing after that. Lisa Rosenthal joins us now on Indiana ArtsDesk. You have a new book out that is about writing groups, their maintenance, their love, their care. What in your mind are the most necessary ingredients for a successful writing group?
I think continuity is very important. Over time, members of a writing group become familiar with each other's writing and therefore can use the history from previous works and to see how your writing was, at what level it was in the past and where you are going now. I think it's also important if you can have members in a group that stay there for a long period of time, meeting regularly, but also because you need that history of each other's voice, which is so helpful. And because in writing groups, networking is very important. When you become more familiar with each other's work, and because being a writer is not just about writing, it's also about the business of writing, sometimes you can find out about opportunities from another member in the group that you wouldn't know about yourself. And, of course, it's wonderful to be in a group of people who feel your pains and your sorrows and your the challenges of being a writer today. And so that can be very comforting, as well as being able to get good critiques that not only help you develop as a writer, but also gives you an opportunity to learn by helping other people by critiquing their work.
I think the support group is an important point. I mean, if you are stuck on the idea of thinking that you're a writer, you do need a 12-step program. The first is that the first thing is to admit that you have a problem,
right,
and it's going to be difficult. But also, don't you think, in my experience with workshopping pieces, that I can have a great group of people, and they can have been together for a great long time, but unless we start out on the right foot of serious critique and taking each other's work seriously enough, respectfully enough, to tell them exactly what you think.
Right, because you're also an artist, it's like you follow the golden rule, do unto others as you would have them do unto you. So because you want to have constructive critiques of your work, you share that same kind and thoughtful critiques with other members of the group.
Well, Lisa Rosenthal, thank you very much for your time.
Oh, you're very welcome. Thanks so much for having me.
Rosenthal's play, Just the Sweet Stuff, will be performed by the Heartland Stage Company Friday and Saturday night at Muncie Civic Studio Theater at 8 o'clock. Also a 2 p.m. matinee on Sunday. The mini workshop on the business of writing is at 4:30 Saturday afternoon at Danner's Books.